What's up, guys? This is SammyGeek back here with another quick video. In today's video, I have my Model Y here, and we're going to talk about 3D Maxpider. That's 3D Maxpider, and why these are my favorite floor mats. So you can compare these to something like a WeatherTech floor mat or several other custom fit floor mats online. I found that out of all the companies, this ended up being my favorite floor mat for several reasons. One, they're a company based in the United States, which is really cool. Customer service has been fantastic in the past when I've reached out to them. I've had these in several different cars, and there's a few reasons why. Number one, they're super custom fit, and they go really high up in sort of that back section where the dead pedal is. So it really holds in a lot of that water, dirt, mud. And if you compare it to a WeatherTech is like a very rubbery material. It looks more like you've put in a winter floor mat. If you intend to use it all year long, it feels like you have a winter floor mat in your car all year long. Really gives it like a premium look, for lack of a better term. What I love about these is I take them out, I spray them off. Literally, you can spray it with the hose and throw it back in your car. I usually wipe it down with a towel after I've sprayed it, and I throw it back in the car, and it looks brand new. It's so cool. The fit has been fantastic, and this is the premium product. So if you go get the knockoff on Amazon, you'll find that the quality is not quite up to par as 3D Maxpider. It has all the benefits of an all-weather floor mat, but it also looks good in the spring, summer, and fall, and that's super important to me. All right, guys, so I've got everything set out here. This is the back seat, and I've got some back seat protectors here, which I'll probably do a separate video on those. These go in the little holders on the side and the back in the trunk. Then, of course, driver's side, passenger side, and then this goes in kind of that back area, the cargo area. So a couple things to note here that 3D Max has done. In the past, they had a little chrome logo here. If you guys can see that now, it's kind of a black, like a matte black. The back side is something super important to show you. You guys know there's a kind of it's not a Velcro, but it feels rough, but it's kind of has these little hairs that stand out. I don't know if you'll be able to see them here, but that material kind of sticks onto the carpet. As I put this in, I'm kind of doing this one-handed here, and just because I know these things fit so well, having had them in my previous cars. So I'm just kind of pressing it down. As I mentioned, once this thing gets in, those hairs in the bottom, it's not a Velcro, but it sticks in place, and then it kind of comes down in here. What a great fit. Look at the back side here. This is all perfectly done. I really want to show this off. You guys look right here. Look at how well this fits. I mean, all the way up here. There is literally no gap whatsoever on this floor mat. So the passenger side here is equally as awesome. The fit is fantastic as it comes around. I know I keep repeating myself, but obviously that's why you buy the 3D Max product, is to get this precision fit. And again, the coverage is awesome. Look how high that goes. So when your passengers have their feet up here, there's tons of coverage, and it's going to run down here. You can see the, let's peel this off. So there's the logo here, but you can see there's a really deep kind of catch. Look at the floor mats in the back where I've put this one. This is the back mat. You can't even tell that there's a floor mat back there to some aspect. It kind of just blends right in. And that's really what I love about these, is that it gives this premium feel. It's something that you can keep in all 4 seasons and have no issues with it. And again, you're getting all that protection. So kind of a bonus here. Let's see if I can have this right. Yep, those guys just sit right down in there. That's pretty awesome. You know what, guys? Unbelievable. I've used a version of this before in a different Model Y, and I have not seen this before in person, and this thing is crazy awesome. So I love how there's kind of a little ledge here along the outside, and it kind of swoops in, so holding stuff in place, and especially if you spilt something back here. How cool is that? It runs right around perfectly, and I probably could have centered it up even better. Thanks again for joining me today, guys, and checking out my Model Y with the 3D Maxpider floor mats. Again, a huge fan of these floor mats. Hopefully, if you guys are looking for the best hands-down floor mats, there's a lot of choices out there, guys. This is the one. So if you have any questions, hit me up below and comments, and I will respond as soon as I can. You guys have a wonderful day.